In this video, I'm going to show you a new WhatsApp feature, voice message transcriptions. This feature is now rolling out for everyone. First, make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp. Go to the Play Store or App Store. If you see Update next to WhatsApp, tap it to update. Once updated, open WhatsApp and let's enable voice message transcriptions. Tap the three dots at the top right, then select Settings. Go to Chats, and here you'll see voice message transcriptions. Tap it to enable, select your language, for example English, and then click Setup. It's about 136 megabytes, so the download may take some time. After it's downloaded, let's try it out. Go to any chat and record a sample voice message. For example, subscribe to Guide Pro. To see the transcript, long press on the voice message, tap the three dots at the top right, and select Transcribe. And that's it. Now, any voice message you receive can be transcribed by long pressing it and choosing Transcribe. Goodbye.